If you are over 60, the very first hour of your morning has more power over your health than any other time of the day. After the age of 60, the body goes through natural changes. Muscle strength slowly reduces. Joints become stiffer overnight. Blood circulation becomes slower, and balance can weaken if not actively maintained. But the beautiful truth is, morning movement can reverse much of this decline. Just 10 to 20 minutes of the right exercises can boost energy levels, protect your heart, strengthen your bones, and keep your joints young. When we wake up, our body is slightly dehydrated. Our blood is thicker, and our muscles are cold. This is exactly why most strokes, heart attacks, and sudden falls happen early in the morning in seniors who start the day with stress or sudden physical strain. Gentle, structured morning exercises protect the heart by gradually increasing circulation, warming the muscles, and activating balance before you begin your day. Instead of rushing into chores or sitting for long hours, giving your body this morning restart becomes a form of daily insurance for your health. Science proves it clearly. A study published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that adults over 60 who perform morning mobility and breathing exercises improved balance by 42%, joint comfort by 35%, and experienced significantly fewer dizziness episodes within 6 weeks. Another Harvard Medical School review confirmed that light morning movement triggers endorphins, your body's natural happiness chemicals, which reduce stress and protect cognitive health. Emotionally, morning exercises give seniors a sense of control and dignity. Instead of feeling like age is limiting them, they feel stronger, more alive, and more independent. This is not just exercise, it is confidence training. It is the difference between starting the day tired or starting the day hopeful. Over the next 5 sections, we will explore the 5 best morning exercises specifically designed for people over 60, safe, joint-friendly, and powerful for longevity. These exercises require no gym, no expensive equipment, and no fast or stressful movements. They focus on circulation, coordination, posture, joint strength, and nervous system calmness. The 5 foundations of a youthful body after 60. If you are a senior living with mild stiffness, fear of falling, heart concerns, or low energy, this routine is for you. And if you are already active, this will help you stay strong and avoid injury. Consider this your daily gift to yourself, a way to wake up your body gently, lovingly, and wisely. In the next section, we begin with the first morning exercise, designed to safely switch on your muscles, lubricate your joints, and awaken your breathing system. Before any strengthening or stretching, seniors need one thing above all: mobility activation. After the age of 60, the joints lose lubrication during long hours of rest, especially overnight. This is why the body feels rusty in the morning, like a door hinge that hasn't been opened in a while. The first 3 to 5 minutes of your routine should gently wake the joints and tell the body it's safe to move. This first exercise is a gentle full-body mobility flow, starting from the neck and traveling down to the ankles. This direction matters. Top to bottom helps the nervous system relax and gradually switches on balance control. When the neck muscles loosen, blood supply to the brain improves. When the shoulders open, breathing becomes deeper. When the hips unlock, walking becomes easier. And when the ankles are gently rotated, stability improves and the risk of falling is reduced. Here is how to perform it safely. Neck circles, slow and soft, 10 seconds each side. Tilt your head gently side to side, then tiny semicircles, never fast. This helps prevent dizziness and morning stiffness. Shoulder rolls, 10 forward, 10 backward. This opens the chest, reduces upper back tension, and prepares your breathing muscles. Elbow and wrist mobility 5-1-0 rotations. Lightly rotate wrists and elbows to stimulate circulation in the hands and fingers. Important for arthritis relief. Hip circles, slow circles to 20 seconds. The hips are the foundation of balance and walking. Unlocking them reduces lower back pressure. Ankle rotations, 10 per direction. Weak ankles are a hidden cause of falls in seniors. This simple rotation protects your stability before walking. Unlike gym workouts, this activation is not about speed or pushing harder. It is about warming the joints and reminding them how to move freely. Think of it as oiling your joints before movement. The safer your warm-up, the younger your movement feels throughout the day. Scientifically, gentle mobility increases synovial fluid, the body's natural joint lubricant. It also awakens proprioceptors, tiny sensors in your joints that tell your brain where your body is in space. These are the same sensors that protect you when you walk on uneven floors or get up from a chair. Emotionally, this first step creates a loving connection with your body, a reminder that aging does not mean fragility. It means awareness. Starting the morning with gentle mobility is like telling your body, I care about you. We are moving forward together. In the next section, we'll introduce exercise number 2, designed to improve circulation, lung capacity, and oxygen supply, the foundation of morning energy. After the joints are gently awakened, the next most important step is breathing activation. Most seniors unknowingly breathe too shallow, using only the upper chest instead of the full lungs. This reduces oxygen, increases fatigue, raises morning anxiety, and can even make the heart work harder than necessary. Deep breathing is not just a relaxation technique. It is a circulatory exercise that nourishes every organ in the body. When you perform slow, controlled breathing first thing in the morning, you improve lung elasticity, support heart rhythm, and enhance blood flow to the brain. This is especially important after 60, because the diaphragm, your main breathing muscle, becomes weaker with age if it is not gently trained. Strengthening it improves stamina throughout the day and reduces breathlessness while walking or climbing stairs. Here is a safe and powerful morning breathing practice. Deep nasal inhale, 4 seconds. Sit or stand tall, shoulders relaxed. Breathe through the nose, allowing the ribs to gently expand outward, like an umbrella opening. Hold softly, 2 to 3 seconds. This gives oxygen time to reach the bloodstream more efficiently. Long, slow exhale, 6 seconds, through the mouth. Imagine releasing tension from the shoulders and chest. The slow exhale signals the nervous system to relax. Repeat for 8 to 10 breaths. This slow ratio, inhale shorter, exhale longer, is scientifically linked to improved heart rate variability, HRV, better blood pressure control, and reduced morning stress hormones like cortisol. It is a gentle massage for the heart from inside the body. Now add chest expansion to deepen the effect. As you inhale, gently open your arms sideways, lifting your chest. As you exhale, bring the arms back in and soften your posture. This movement expands lung space and improves posture. This simple breathing method gives seniors more morning energy than a cup of tea or coffee because it supplies the brain with fresh oxygen before anything else is consumed. It also clears mental fog and improves focus. Emotionally, this breathing exercise creates a moment of self-connection, a soft pause before the day begins. Many older adults carry hidden anxiety, fear of falling, fear of illness, fear of becoming dependent on others. Deep breathing turns fear into calmness by telling the brain, you are safe. You are supported. When practiced daily, it becomes a ritual of self-kindness. In the next section, we will move into exercise number 3. Gentle but highly effective. Movement that improves circulation through the legs and protects the spine while strengthening your lower body. Once the body is mobilized and the lungs are activated, the next most powerful step is circulation through the legs, the true engine of independence in older age. Your legs are not just for walking. They are your body's second heart, pushing blood back upward toward the chest and brain. As we age, long periods of sitting reduce circulation, causing swelling in the feet, heaviness in the legs, and sometimes dizziness when standing. A safe and gentle way to overcome this is marching in place, or slow indoor walking for 2 to 5 minutes. This movement is ideal because it requires no equipment, no long space, and can be done next to a wall or chair for balance support. The goal is not speed, the goal is rhythm. Gentle marching wakes up the leg muscles, activates the calves, and improves blood return to the heart. Even seniors who feel nervous about outdoor walking can begin with small, safe steps inside their home. How to perform it safely? Stand tall with light support nearby, chair or kitchen counter. Lift one knee slightly, then the other, as if walking in slow motion. Keep your feet landing softly, not stomping. Maintain breathing rhythm. Inhale for 2 steps, exhale for 2 steps. Continue for 2 to 5 minutes depending on comfort. Even 200 steps are enough to stimulate blood flow in the morning. For seniors with mild arthritis, this is far safer than long-distance walking right after waking up, because the joints are now warmed from exercise number 1. Why this matters medically. Marching activates the soleus muscle in the lower leg, a major pump for circulation. It reduces swelling in the ankles and feet. It strengthens balance reflexes, especially in the hips and core. It improves bone strength by applying gentle weight-bearing pressure. It signals energy release hormones, making the body feel awake faster. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Physiology found that low-impact stepping significantly improved blood flow and reduced fall risk among adults over 60 in just 8 weeks. This shows that light movement, not intense workouts, is the key to safe longevity. Emotional benefit. This movement delivers a sense of forward motion, a symbolic reminder. I am still moving ahead in life. For many seniors, morning heaviness can create a psychological barrier. But as soon as the legs begin moving, the mood shifts. Confidence rises. The body remembers independence. Some seniors like to play soft music while marching. This adds joy and rhythm. Others walk slowly near a window or balcony to connect with morning light, which boosts serotonin and protects natural sleep rhythm later at night. In the next section, we will introduce exercise number 4, Ajim's powerful yet joint-friendly strength movement that supports posture, protects the spine, and improves the ability to stand, bend, and sit comfortably. As we grow older, one of the most overlooked parts of physical health is balance and flexibility. Most seniors do not lose health because of illness. They lose it because of falls, stiffness, and weak postural control. A small slip in the bathroom, a misstep on the staircase, or losing balance while getting up from a chair. These are the moments that change independence into dependence. That is why balance is not just a NEDS exercise. It is your personal insurance policy for dignity, safety, and self-confidence. Flexibility, meanwhile, protects your joints like smooth engine oil protects an old car engine. When your muscles are stiff, the joints have to carry the pressure alone. This makes knees swell, the back tighten, and shoulders ache. But when your body stays flexible, everyday movement becomes easier. Getting out of bed, tying your shoes, praying, walking outside, or even sitting on the floor with grandchildren. The best part? You do not need gym equipment or heavy workouts. Just a few gentle daily habits can preserve your independence for decades. Let's begin with a chair-assisted ankle-to-knee stretch. Sit on a firm chair. Place your right ankle on your left knee and gently press downward. You should feel a stretch in the hip and lower back. This improves walking posture and reduces sciatic pain. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe slowly, then switch sides. This one move alone improves pelvic balance, which helps you stand straighter and walk more confidently. Next is the wall posture stretch. Stand with your back against the wall, heels 2 inches away, and gently draw the shoulder blades downward. Many seniors develop a forward head posture that causes neck strain, low oxygen intake, and fatigue. This simple correction opens the chest, improves breathing, and restores an upright posture, which adds both dignity and confidence to your presence. The third is a gentle side-to-side stability shift. Stand behind a chair, lightly hold the backrest, and slowly shift your body weight from your right foot to your left foot. This trains your inner stabilizer muscles, tiny supportive muscles that prevent falling. After a week, try lifting one foot slightly. As you shift, this mimics real-life balance situations like turning a corner or avoiding a slippery patch. The fourth is the calf plus hamstring stretch. Place your hands on a wall and take a small step back with one leg. Keep the heel on the floor and lean gently forward. Seniors often forget that the calf muscle works like a second heart. It pumps blood back upward. When you stretch it regularly, you boost circulation and reduce swelling in the legs. And finally, a gentle neck glide. Imagine your head sliding forward and then slowly back into alignment. This decompresses the spine and eases dizziness caused by tension and poor posture. Just a few slow repetitions can reduce headaches and improve shoulder relaxation. When practiced consistently, these movements do more than protect your joints. They protect your independence, your confidence, and your ability to move freely without fear. The greatest challenge is not starting exercise. It is continuing it. Most people over 60 stop not because their body refuses, but because their routine does not support consistency. Real progress happens when gentle movement becomes as normal as brushing your teeth or drinking water. The key is to build habits that feel natural, not forced. The science is clear. When seniors stay gently active every day, even for 10 to 20 minutes, inflammation drops, joints stay nourished, and the nervous system becomes calmer. The heart pumps more efficiently, sleep improves, digestion becomes smoother, and the muscles remember how to support balance without conscious effort. But beyond science, there is something deeper. Movement restores hope. When you can bend without pain, stand without fear, walk without heaviness, you don't just gain health, you regain freedom. You feel capable again, independent again, alive again. The most powerful way to stay consistent is through habit, anchors, pairing exercise with something already part of your routine. A few examples. After morning prayer gives 5 minutes of joint mobility. Before breakfast gives breathing plus posture reset. After an evening walk gives light stretching to unwind. Before sleep gives gentle neck and back relaxation. You are not adding something new. You are simply attaching healthy movement to what already exists in your day. This is how exercise becomes a lifestyle instead of a burden. Another key is emotional connection. Instead of exercising to avoid sickness, exercise to protect your independence. Your ability to walk to the mosque, visit a friend, travel, play with grandchildren, and live life on your own terms. Small habits compound beautifully. 10 minutes today becomes 70 minutes a week. 70 minutes weekly becomes 300 minutes a month. And those 300 minutes, slow, peaceful, and healing, can save you from future surgeries, medications, and immobility. And remember, movement is not about living longer only. It is about living better. A long life without strength is limitation, but a long life with movement is freedom. If you treat your body with gentle discipline today, your future self will thank you with comfort, confidence, and stability.